You can expect a lot from the 2015 Volvo V60. This four-door, five-passenger wagon has just over 80,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a five-cylinder engine with more than 220 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Volvo prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, remote keyless entry, and seat memory. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Volvo also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.